Touchscreen CNC Controller. Interface Introduction. Hello everyone! Today I will introduce the interface of a touch version offline controller. All operations can be achieved through manual touch. Next, we will introduce the content of each area separately. Status Display Area includes System Status, Current Processing File Name, and Processing Status, Processing Time, User Operation Permissions, etc. Processing Information Display Area includes Workpiece Coordinates, Mechanical Coordinates, Feed Rate Multiplier, Spindle Rate Multiplier, Feed Speed, Spindle Speed, EEC. Machine Operation Areas and Toolpath Simulation Areas can be switched using the keys indicated by the arrows. The right area is the manual movement control zone for the machine. The left area is the shortcut key operation zone, and the functions can be customized. Main Control Button Area includes Advanced Menu Key, File Selection, Quick Access to User Parameters, Start, Pause, Reset, etc. Advanced Features Menu Introduction. As shown in the image above, the advanced menu includes the following categories: Machine Operation, Parameter Management, System Management, MDI, and Help. Next, we will explore the specific contents through a video. Now, demonstrating a video of some machine operations. Next, demonstrating how to load a file and start machining it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.